This is how my friend acts every time that he comes over. All he does is play Madden. Here.
Seriously? Oh my god. Pass it. Don't run! Honey! Tackle him! No, don't tackle him. Run the ball. Pass it. Anything. Run! 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 How do you fumble it? What the... Yeah, how does... I give up. What are you... Go! Shoot, please. Go. What the crap is a booth of you? Who is that old man? What the crap? Skip, 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 skip. What? Oh, good. Good. Run the ball. You know what that means? It means don't fumble. What the heck? Why are you running
This is
that
hilarious.
way? No, 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 no! What the? What the? What? What? What's a safety? How do you run in the end zone?
I don't think he's allowed to play Madden at his house.
Kick it. That was a horrible kick. Go, Chinese dude. Tackle him! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. What? How is there a flag? How? Matt, get out. Shoot. Leave. Leave.
Are you embarrassed?
Shut up. Shush it. Come on. Tackle him. How do you let him run like that? Yeah. What? Come on. Run. Learn how to run. What the heck are you doing there, dude? You're gonna... No! Don't run backwards! You... What the
Oh gosh.
Come on! How was that an interception? Oh, what was that? Not called a pass, I can tell you that. Oh, man. I know. Oh, my God. Come on. What are you doing? Pass the ball! How do you get hurt? How you get hurt? You got tackled. Tackled. T-A-K-L-E-D. Tackled. Pass it. Pass it. Don't run. How does he get tackled? You're supposed to run forward, okay? That way.